I'm going to share with you how to absolutely blow up your language learning journey with this one principle. And I think it's really important for two reasons. Number one, it's rarely ever spoken about. And number two, it's really effective. And it's very similar to the square peg round hole philosophy, whereby the square peg just doesn't fit in the round hole. I.e., if the two things that you're trying to put together don't match, it's really difficult. So let's dig into this a bit more. Often when you go and join a language class or you pick up a resource and you kind of follow the bouncing ball. You follow the path that's set out before you. And this blanket approach can be difficult for people because what's a great path for you might not necessarily be a great path for me or one of our peers. And that's kind of what I mean about the square peg round hole. So how can we overcome this? Focus on contextual language. Focus on language that parents use if you're a parent. Focus on classroom language if you're a teacher. Focus on learning language that you're actually going to use in your day-to-day life. It's really difficult to learn something and then implement it if you don't have the opportunities to implement it. For instance, you might be learning about colors and shapes, but if you never talk about colors and shapes in your day-to-day life, when are you going to use it? So focus on contextual language.